Alright, boys, I've got this Deus 2 out here with an 11-inch coil on it currently. We're going to put that 9-inch coil on this machine. Southern Relics Adventures had a live stream last night and somebody asked a question. Well, can the 11x13 or the 9-inch coil be deeper in iron versus the 9-inch coil? Well, the answer is it can be. I'm going to give you a demonstration here now. Now, you know, when we talk about carpenter nails, you know, that term is sort of means different maybe to some different people. But what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you one small piece of a nail with a nail head on it, and that silver dime right there, okay? You see the distance there, okay? So I'm going to be sweeping about 6 inches over that dime, maybe a tad less. We're going to sweep from this direction, left to right. You know, it's all about laws of averages and probability when it comes to locating finds. One coil may give you higher odds depending on the detecting scenario. Okay? Now, I'm not going to change anything on this machine once I start. I'm in the fast program, 5-tone. Stock disc, stock silencer 2. You're going to hear a little EMI, but that's not hurting this test. Okay? Now, that machine is detecting that dime. Two-way signal. Speed 3. Okay? Speed 2.5. Still detecting that dime. Now the ID's not, it ain't telling you there's a silver coin down there, but there's a non-ferrous target in all likelihood, okay? Reactivity number 2. So reactivity number 2 there, shaky, okay? And I would expect reactivity 1 to be just as shaky. It is, it's shakier, okay? So let's go look at speed 4 right fast. Speed 4 is giving us two-way signal. Speed 3 and speed 2.5. Alright. Let me see if I can get this, turn this camera off, and I'm going to put this 9-inch coil on here. Alright, 9-inch coil is back on here. The only thing we're going to be changing is the speed. Everything's the same on that 11-inch coil for settings. Same exact frequency shift channel, same program. Alright. Reactivity 4. Everybody would be thinking, oh, that reactivity 4, that's fast. That's what you need to hit that dime. Well, let's see what happens here. No cigar, okay? El Zippo, iron tone, reactivity 3. No cigar, reactivity 2.5. No cigar, reactivity 2. No cigar, reactivity 1.5. No cigar, reactivity 1. No cigar. I'm going to leave it in reactivity 1. Now we can come over here and get some tone, okay? But we can also do that with that coil over there, but I didn't show it. So this coil will only detect that dime. See, if I come even over here at 45 degrees, I'm having trouble. I get more angular detection with that coil versus this coil, the 9-inch coil. Okay, now I'm going to put this machine back at speed 2.5 and sweep it again and let you listen. Iron tone. Okay, so I'm going to remove the nail, leave it at speed 2.5. What this shows is the dime is well within reach with speed 2.5. Hear that? Well within reach, but the nail cut it off, okay? So the term deeper May not be the correct term to use when you say the 11-inch coil can be deeper in the iron. Can it find some stuff farther below the plane of some nails, depending on the scenario? Yes. Can this coil do the same versus that coil? Well, yes. There's a lot of different combinations out there, okay, when it comes to iron and non-ferrous targets. But this one right here, you know, is pretty easy. Now remember, when we come over here with both of these coils, we're having to sort of sweep off of that nail a little bit, okay? Well, I wonder if there was a piece of iron back over here, back over here, to the right of where that dime is setting. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, I can make a scenario where I couldn't get detection maybe this way. But with the 11-inch coil, I could still get detection from this way where the 9-inch coil failed, okay? It failed in all speeds. So yeah, it can be deeper, I guess. I don't like to use that word, but it can make you some finds around iron that this coil can't do. That also goes for the 11 by 13 coil, and I don't have one, okay, but I know. The 11 by 13 coil on that test right there would behave very close to what that coil is doing. And it has to do with the size of the coil. Okay, the actual different physical parameters of the size of these two coils when you compare them. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this answers that gentleman's question. Green Meanie is what he goes by.